Hi everybody. I'm in the process of putting together a channel on YouTube so that when I get together with you guys I can start a lesson plan to put out there how I learned to play, and start people who want to watch on it, and we'll do a little teaching together, learning together, and have a little fun. And in the meantime, while I'm doing that, I'm going to do some sound tests and different things. And so I thought today I want to see how a few of the highs and stuff like that go through the program and on into YouTube, and see if they actually are produced properly. So what we're going to do today is I'm just going to goof around a little bit and play a little saxophone and see how that sounds. So it won't take long, I just need to do it for a minute or two. Anyway, here we go. First I came up with just a sax. And then for a backup, just an organ tone with a little bit of a twang. And of course the bass. So let's give it a try and see what happens to it. Okay, now that I did that where I tried to get a rumbling and see what's going to happen to that, I'll just sit here and relax for a minute or two and play something. There we have it for a little bit. Hey, I'll catch up with you a little bit later, huh? Thank you.